Today I'm going to show you guys this amazing hair dryer from Glow Hub. It comes with 3 different kinds of attachments. It also has noise reduction feature. It has a strong wind with heat balanced with high-speed motor. It uses innovative black technology which leaves your hair shiny and supple. It has 3 different settings. You can put it on lower, medium, and higher. Wow, look at my hair. This is really shiny and soft and elegant. And you can see my hair is really soft and silky. Come on guys, it's only $21. Grab it before the deal ends.